Hey guys, so as you may see, this is not Yeeps, this is Animal Company. I know I sort of stopped doing videos on Animal Company, but I think I'm just gonna come back for I'm just gonna check out the game for the first time in like 3 months. And apparently they released a big update, so let's check that out. And also, I found this egg. I don't know what to do with it. Alright, let me head to a public. Okay, I'm in a public. I don't know what wicked and vile things are gonna happen, but I believe the new updates are digging up. That's... Where's the new update? Let me go grab like a backpack or something.
Here, fishy fishies. Oh, it's a crate.
That's not no fish. Oh.
They revamped okay. Oh, that's actually cute.
Yo, fish, what the hell?
Monkey backpack.
Give me them.
This one I owned.
Later in here.
Okay.
Here, I'll do it later.
This is all. What? Did I just get kicked? Or something? What the hell? Okay, I had to rejoin the game. I don't know why, but I found it in the area. I think it's in here. So let's check it out. Whoa! Oh, this is completely new. Oh, well, what's in here? Okay, this is just regular mines. I'm probably get so much research points from this. I'm gonna go grab a pickaxe, a drill. I think that's what you need for it. Probably. Okay. Let's see if it's works. Okay, you can kill yourself with the drill. I'm not sure why, but you can. Yes, this does work. Well, sorry, Egg. I don't know what you do. I'm just gonna.
Dude.
Hey!
I have a shot.
What?
Let's mine together.
No thank you. Found something up. Oh my god, this is loud. I'm just gonna dig down and record if we find anything important. There's an Armstrong right there. Can I kill it? I'm just gonna kill it. If I can. Okay. Why was... Whoa. I found a big, block. Oh, whoa. Some stone. What is that? I'm kind of scared right now. Whoa. There's a place. This is mine.
Go through shit. There. Hi, guys. Well, come on.
I'm just gonna dig my own way.
Let me get my pickaxe. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, what is this?
Whoa. Guys, over here. Oh, it's over here. People. Guys.
What the heck?
I went to Watch
Why
out!
do you have
Watch
a
out!
laser?
Guys, move out of the way!
And why
Move!
are you a
I'm
pickaxe?
gonna do a laser.
Why do we have a walking pickaxe on our team? Ow.
I'm lagging.
Yeah, I'm literally a pickaxe. That's why I'm so good at mining.
Why are you a pickaxe?
Because I can turn into anything. That's an item.
Okay, then. What is that?
Something that's not good.
This is my first time playing the update. This is also my
Go,
first
go,
time
go,
playing in
it's
3 months. So, yeah.
Guys, run! It's coming!
Oh, it is right there.
Run!
Oh.
Let's go, You're fine. Dig down now.
Dig down.
Get
Oh,
down,
dig
get down.
straight down. Dig straight down.
Over
guys.
here. This
Straight down. We
Over
must
here.
dig. What's healed?
Yes!
What is
Finally.
healed?
Yes!
What is this? I just got flashbanged. What is this?
Guys, over here. Press the button.
What button are we
Press the
pressing?
button.
What is going on? Why
This
is there
button.
big fuel flash?
Bees! Africa! The bees!
What if I touch it?
Wait.
Oh, we have to mine this. Let's do this.
Why is it still in the air?
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I know.
Get this.
Mine it.
Mine, we'll all get lost and stuff.
Bro, stop hitting me.
We hate big cubes.
Nobody's trying to
Ow.
hit each other.
Ow.
Shoot.
Oh, what is that?
We hate big cubes.
Guys, do we mind it?
I'm gonna mine from above.
Ow! Oh, what is that?
It's
What
just
is
a dark square.
One.
Your whole goal should be
Kill the
you
cube.
just need to break the whole square. Kill it!
Kill the cube!
Let's go to the boss. Let's go to the
No! Let's
Boss?
Are you trying to? Okay.
Since when were
Okay,
there
let's go
bosses?
over here.
Should I go there? I'm going. What is that?
If you don't come to the boss, you're a scaredy cat.
What boss?
The boss over here.
There's a boss?
It's the black hole boss. Yeah, the
Oh.
black hole boss. We need the
This is my first time playing in like 3 months. I didn't know they had bosses. What the heck?
Okay.
What am I gonna do? Oh!
Step
what was
back!
that?
Run! Okay, go back, go back, go back!
What is that?
Oh god. God damn. Come on.
Kill it!
That's
Aim
why
for
I
the
brought a
knees.
pistol.
Aim for the
See,
knees!
it has a turn
Run!
Take extra.
Aim for the knees! Ah!
I will get you. No, I was not there.
I don't have any ranged
Whoa,
weapons.
Run. Oh, get it.
Uh-oh.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Get his legs. Get his legs. Get his legs.
Get him, get leg.
Get him!
You monkey,
Uh-oh.
you nigga. Oh, run! Go back, go back!
Flee!
He's gonna jump.
Ah,
Where is
run,
he
run,
jumping
run!
to? Get him!
Hurry up, run, get that goal! Get his legs, get his legs! Get his ankle. It's coming, it's coming! I told you. Oh, run, run!
Move. Go. I can fall. Break his ankles. Get his legs.
Break his
ankles!
Break his ankles! Get his ankle! He's just getting
Ah!
Go. Center. Everyone, hit the circle. Hit the circle.
Hit the circle, break the circle! Go in!
I got a foot.
Go!
I'll get the lower one. Wait.
Come on, guys, come on, let's do this!
Kill him! Make him pay! Ow, I'm stabbing myself.
Shoot him with the laser!
Okay, get him. Get his legs.
Oh!
He's almost dead. Get his legs! Get his legs!
Who's the after?
Get him!
One!
Get his legs! Get his legs!
They were fighting.
Get his legs! No!
Guys, I recently
Kill him! Ow! Is that
I just got a voice chat
Get
back.
his legs! Get his legs!
But I just got a voice chat violation where I'm saying move it.
What?
Get his legs! Get
Uh-oh.
his legs! No!
I know, it's stupid. I got a voice chat violation from saying.
No! No! It's coming! It's coming! Get his legs!
Oh my god.
Get his legs! Get his legs! Get his legs! He's coming!
break his ankles? In the bad way. Uh-oh.
Guys,
Ow!
pay attention.
Bring me back.
He's trying to defeat the world!
Get the knees!
He's gonna drop something.
No, he's coming!
Okay, get ready to break his ankle. Break his ankle.
Break his ankle! Break his ankle!
Break his ankle.
How is he dead?
No, he's not.
Yeah, we're at Void Boss. A lot of people are at Void Boss.
Excuse me. Like 20. Like 10 people are at Void Boss.
He's
I'm
almost
sorry,
dead.
I'm sorry.
What is
You're
going
fine.
on?
Don't worry. We have to break him.
We're getting the Void Boss.
We have to kill him.
Stupid boss guy!
Holy crap, guys, work. There, we killed him.
We killed him!
Yeah.
Oh, that was sick.
Wait. Guys, I need one. Hey, let me have one. Let me have one.
What is this?
I
Oh,
need
I
one.
can't.
Help me, help me. Help me. I even lost my pickaxe. Then take this one, take this one. Right.
Who's hurt?
I need one. I need Someone one. Someone killed me, revive me. Please.
Exit the hole.
I'm dead.
What's happening?
Guys, I died. Can you revive me?
Someone revive him! Is it dragging us down?
Revive me! Revive me! Revive me!
It is literally dragging us down. Ow. What
is this?
Wait,
Everybody, we split up. We split up teams.
split up. Uh-oh.
We gotta split up into teams. There's too many people. They already defeated the boss.
Oh, well, just follow me.
Yeah, we already defeated her. Go down. Down. Down, hold on.
Mine! Can someone give me a laser gun? We need a laser gun. If anyone has a laser gun, Max, can I have one laser? I don't kill you.
Oh my gosh, holy claustrophobia.
It's over here, it's over here. Come on.
Oh, I saw the
Where
boss
is she?
towards
Oh,
the
over
end.
here. Oh, over here, over here. Over here, go.
Hey,
Oh,
stop.
Give me a laser gun.
Stop.
I need a laser gun.
I'm sorry.
No, this is mine, and I have. This is the only one
What
I
is
have.
this? Why are
I'm
we
sorry.
in a fig outside? Oh, uranium. Dude.
Yeah, let me think about it. Let me think about it, okay? Here's another one here. Oh shit, who spawned the mimic? Gorillas! Who spawned them?
What?
Warning, incoming mimics.
What mimic?
Yeah, I can see that. Lots of them.
What's going on? Poison lead. I'm so happy.
Please, you know to kill the mimics. Who spawned it?
Kill him.
We need
I was
people
happy
who
for
are
a
mimic
second.
killers and people who are golden banana putter. People who put the golden banana.
Oh, Cody.
Let's go.
There's a Cody.
Oh, got it.
What's that?
Who hit me?
Open the supply crate. Open it.
Okay.
Nobody's gonna find out. I'll open it. I'll open it. A flashbang?
That's a flashbang.
Behind you, I got him. Golden banana, got a golden banana. Somebody put it in.
Okay, put in the golden banana machine so we can get out of here. Well, we need a lot more.
Let's go.
Yo,
Let's go. White
Also, guys, don't eat the golden bananas because they will give you
guys, I gave
radiation.
somebody. I put down a laser for somebody.
Oh, where's the laser?
Somebody already took it. Put the banana. Put the golden banana in.
White fox. White fox. White fox. Have a laser gun.
Yes,
Give me
please.
the banana over here.
There were so many mimics.
Over here. Come on.
Okay, you grab it.
Banana.
Yeah, I know that. Stop! You don't kill him. Let me kill him.
Go to bananas because it has radiation.
We need more bananas. You guys actually have to put the bananas in.
Wait, is there like a catch to putting it in?
Get a banana, put it in. It opens the door so we don't have to fight the mimics anymore.
Like something bad happens if you put it in. Why do you want to put it in?
Hurry, put it in, because that's how you get a moon map.
Put it in.
Put the last one in. Somebody. Yo, it's open. Go.
It's open.
Go.
Let's go.
My game broke. I literally can't do anything. Guess I'll just go through here alone. I can't. Oh my gosh! I'm back in.
Laser gun. How do you
My
get the
game broke
laser
for a
gun?
second. I'm back.
And then
Killing the boss.
Wait, there's a boss?
Drop
There's
down.
another boss?
It's called the void boss.
This is sick. Oh my gosh, it broke again. Whoa. Sure would be nice to experience this when my game isn't glitched. Oh, come on. Guessing you gotta dig through this too, but I can't dig through it. Oh. Well, maybe it'll come back. Please come back. Please. I also have the slow debuff even though I have no items. I don't know. Is this the end? Is this the end of my journey? I think this has to be the end of my journey. I don't know. I'm not connecting to any server. I don't have any items to go down. I think I have to end it here. Maybe I'll make a follow-up video if I ever come back here again, but I think I have to end it here. I don't know what to say. I'll end the video and just wait for a little, see if I connect again, but I think this is it. Well, I hope you guys liked this video, this incomplete video. If you guys want me to turn to doing some Animal Company videos, I'll do it, but I'm probably going to continue making Yeeps for a bit. Well, the journey ends here. Bye.